Okay, so let's talk about Lambda function. I think you already see this Lambda function on JavaScript. It's like they call this path arrow, I guess. So path arrow notation. So it's same on anonymous function anyway. So it's like this. You're not gonna use the curly braces. So don't confuse you. And Lambda and anonymous function are basically the same. Like there's so many ways to do the function things right now. So this thing, you can do this on one line of code. Like the reason they do this is to make your code like line per line. It's so easy to read this. And yeah, so if you're really fast programming, like you're gonna write it so quickly, you can use Lambda, and it's so easy to maintain. And yeah, so let's just start it anyway. So Lambda function is referred to a anonymous function in programming, and consists of mechanically represent anonymous function. Nothing too special. I think the only thing you're gonna remember is the arrow function. So there are three parts of Lambda function. So the parameter, the path arrow, and the statement. So these are the three. So parameter, inside this parentheses are called the parameter, and the path arrow and the statement. So that's it. That's the three thing. It's same on the anonymous function. You're gonna call the function, you can specify the parameter and the statement. It's absolutely the same anyway, and nothing too special about this. I'm not gonna confuse you to do this thing. It's up to you. You can use Lambda or anonymous function. Like I see programmer use this. They're gonna call function and return this. Like, okay, if I read this, I will understand. Okay, you can return a function like that. Okay, I understand that. And in Lambda, you can do this on one line of code, no curly braces, and that's it. So let s2 is equal to, let's say, 2 parameter x number. We want number, comma, and y dot number. And we're gonna do the path arrow, so x plus y, like that. So what will return? So it will return, so 1 plus 1, it will return 2, right? So wait. So test 2. Okay, so let's run the code. ls dino run, get the lambda. Okay, so it's 2, it's correct. Okay, so this is a Lambda function and anonymous function. They are absolutely the same, and you're gonna use only the path arrow on this one. Nothing too special anyway. If you understand anonymous function, it's so easy to understand Lambda anyway. Okay, so this is a anonymous function and the Lambda function. If you see this, how clean the code is, like we'll do the same thing on this one. If you compare this to this, which one you're gonna use? I think Lambda, because you can do this on one line of code. And yeah, see you in the next tutorial. So what are we gonna next? Okay, Lambda, syntactic variation, all that. Oh, we're gonna learn syntactic variation in the next tutorial.